You're not late. You're just early to something most people still don't understand. Right now, while you're watching this, a 19-year-old with no degree, a mom working from home, and a guy in a small room with a cheap laptop are all using AI to make money that used to require entire companies. And no, this is not hype. This is the new economy. Let me show you exactly how it works. First, what changed? Before AI, making money online required three things: skills, time, and capital. If you didn't have all three, you were stuck. But AI broke that system. Now one person can do the work of a writer, a designer, a video editor, and a marketer, all at the same time. That's not an upgrade. That's a complete reset of the system. So how are ordinary people actually getting rich? There are three main ways right now. And none of them require you to be an expert. 1. AI content machines. People are using tools like ChatGPT and AI video generators to create content at scale. Think about this, one person can now create 10 to 20 YouTube videos a week, without filming, without showing their face, without hiring anyone. They make money through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. And those videos? Some channels are making thousands per month just by posting consistent AI-generated content. 2. AI freelancing. This is even faster. People are going on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork and selling services like logo design, business emails, ads copywriting, video scripts. But here's the twist, they're not doing the work manually. AI is doing 80 to 90% of it. They just package it and deliver it. So instead of spending 5 hours on a project, they spend 20 minutes. And they charge the same price as professionals. That's how income multiplies. 3. AI digital businesses. This is where things get serious. People are building automated e-commerce stores, content creation. Some of these businesses are run by just one person, and that's why they scale fast. Let's be real for a second. In the next 12 months, two types of people will exist: people who used AI early and built something, and people who watched it happen. The difference won't be intelligence, it will be action. AI didn't remove opportunity, it multiplied it. But only for people willing to use it. So the question is simple: are you going to watch the blueprint, or build with it? If you got value from this, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. More insights like this are coming, don't miss them.